Namaskar and good morning, my dear students. I am Dev Pandit. Today we are going to talk about debate, that is from grade 10 English textbook. We are talking about the debate which is in unit 2. How are you, my dear students? Long time no see. It is reading text. As I mentioned earlier, it is debate. Open your textbook, look at page number 13. Look at the picture there. How many people are there? What are they doing? Can you guess? What are they doing in the picture? There are so many people, so many students, as well as there are some senior people too. Where is it? Can you guess? It is at a school. What type of program is it? Can you guess, my dear students? Certainly yes, it is debate program. However, there are some questions. We are going to talk about those questions too. Have you ever participated in a debate competition? Do you have any experience of participating in debate competition? Certainly, some of you have participated in debate competition. And I think some of you haven't got the chance to take part in debate competition. If yes, what was the subject of the debate? I have one experience. I took part in debate competition for the first time when I was in grade 6. At that time, the topic of the debate was village life is better than town life. Then there is another question. Using a single language across the world is better than using multiple languages. Do you agree? Why? What do you think about it? Do you think using single language is better or using multiple languages is good? I think both of them are equally important. Sometimes one language is quite comfortable. If there is one language, at that time we can easily get the chance to talk to the people of the world, and sometimes it may create problem too. We may not have different cultural program if there is only one language. Today we are going to talk about debate. What is a debate? Do you know what is debate? It is a formal discussion on particular matter. Certain subject matter is given there. On that subject matter, students pour their ideas, they express their views in debate. As well as it is a formal argument in which two opposing teams propose or attack a given proposition or motion in a series of speeches. It is also a structured argument in which two sides speak alternatively for and against a particular topic. Similarly, pros and cons are stated turn by turn in a debate. Advantages and disadvantages are mentioned in debate. Some common topics for debate are, I am going to mention you some common topics. You have heard such topics. The first one is village life is better than town life. Then another is a pen is mightier than a sword. Similarly, mental health is more powerful than physical health. Another, should teachers not be allowed to contact students through social media? In the same way, homeschooling is better than traditional schooling. Then next title, maybe native language is better than English language. Similarly, using a single language is better than multiple languages. Today we are going to talk about the last topic. The topic is using a single language is better than multiple languages. That is the topic of our debate today. How can we take part in debate? There are certain guidelines to take part in debate. I am going to give you some ideas for participating in a debate. First, you have to address the people who are in the conference or who are in the meeting. At that time you should address them. First, you should address the chairperson. Similarly, you should address chief guest as well as special guest. There may be other panel of judges. You should address them too. Sometimes there may be other teachers. You should address them too. There are your friends. You should address the students as well. First, you should address them. Then express gratitude for the chance to speak. You should mention the statement like, "Thank you very much for giving me a chance to take part in this debate competition." You can start in this way. Then you should mention the topic. What is the topic of the debate? Today I am going to talk about using our single language is better than using multiple languages. You can express your views in this way. You should mention the topic in your debate. After that, you should start, or you can pour your ideas. You can express your ideas. If you are talking about the debate, or if you are for the motion, at that time you should talk about the advantages of that thing. If you are against the motion, at that time you should talk about disadvantages of that topic. Similarly, finally, you should conclude your ideas. Then don't forget to say thank you at last. They are the ideas to express or to deliver debate. Now we are going to read the text. Look at page number 13. Study time, that is in B. There has been a debate competition in Gauri Shankar Higher Secondary School. Amrit Timal Sinha is the master of ceremonies. Karma and Kavita are the speakers in the final round of the debate. Read the transcription. Here are two transcriptions. One is the transcription of Karma and another is the transcription of Kavita. Read those transcriptions and note some important points Karma and Kavita presented to support their opinion. For the motion, using a single language is better than multiple languages. Karma is talking about using a single language is better than using multiple languages. It is for the motion. It talks about the advantages of using single language. He addresses in this way: Mr. Chairperson, respected teachers and friends, I'd like to thank Mr. Timal Sinha for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on the burning issue. The burning issue is the fewer the languages there are, the easier the life will be. If there is only one language, at that time the life will be easier. How is it easier? It is easier because we can easily communicate with the people of the world. Now we are the citizen of global village, so that we should talk to the people of each and every corner of the world. If there is only one language, at the time we can easily communicate with the people who are in the different corners of the world. Every year several languages die out. For example, Sanskrit language was spoken in the past time. Some people think that life will be easier. If there is Sanskrit language, at that time it will be difficult for us to learn Sanskrit as well as Nepali. But now there is no Sanskrit language, so our life is easier. I support this view. Karma supports the view. He supports using single language is better than using multiple languages. As we know, the development of recent technology has a significant role to create a global village. Now, global village is possible because of the means of technology. There are so many technological inventions that make our life easy and comfortable. We can easily communicate with the people of the world, as we mentioned earlier. People from any part of the world can communicate easily through the internet. There are so many scientific innovations which make our life very easier, and we can easily get access to the people of the world. Due to the international importance of the English language, most of the people are reluctant to use their first language. So many people are leaving to use their own native language. They are interested to learn English language. Why? Because so many things are found in English language, so they are interested to learn English language. And most people are reluctant to use their first language and are learning English. This shows that people prefer learning the language that helps them to communicate in the global village to their own language. They want to communicate in the global village to their own language. That's the thing. Similarly, in the next paragraph, Karma addresses in this way: Mr. Chairperson, using the same language would certainly aid understanding and global fraternity. There will be global brotherhood if there is a single language. There is harmony among the people of the world if there is only one language. If they use the same language, there is mutual understanding. Mutual understanding is possible because of single language. People can communicate with one another without any problems. They can communicate with the people of each and every corner of the world if there is only one language. It unites all the people as global citizens. If everyone speaks the same language, there will be a clear understanding between not only countries but also people throughout the world. It would promote learning, the flow of information and ideas. For example, students don't have to translate the text into their mother tongue to understand. Karma states in this way in the next paragraph: ladies and gentlemen, economic growth is also possible by using single language, as it can minimize various costs, such as the cost of communication, translation, interpretation, etc. By using single language, there is no need of interpreters. Similarly, it minimizes the cost of communication, translation and interpretation. So economic growth is also possible. We can protect or we can conserve money by using single language. It minimizes the cost. We won't need interpreters in international conferences, seminars and workshops. No need of interpreters, because all the people can understand the language which is used in international conference, seminars or workshops. Thus, it can minimize the communication barriers and help international business, resulting in healthier world economy. International business is possible, or international business is very easy if there is single language, if there is unity in language. Not in the next paragraph, he mentions in this way: not only this, if a language is intelligible for all, members of security forces can easily investigate and understand national and international criminal plans. If there is only one language, at that time they can easily find the secret plan of the criminals, so that there is less chance of having criminal activities. It may help in solving international and intercultural security problems too, so that there may not be different security problems. Why? Because they can easily understand their plans, which is delivered in the same language. If there is only one language, all the people can easily understand what each and every person is doing. In the last paragraph, he concludes in this way: to conclude, I strongly claim that using a single language is lingua franca strengthen our fraternity, integrity, security and global understanding, in addition to helping international business and economy. Thank you. They are the paragraphs mentioned by Karma. Now, there are some unfamiliar or difficult words You should know the meaning of those difficult words. Please, my dear students, be ready to write the words, difficult words. The first word is competition. Write the word competition. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N, competition. It means the activity of competing, opposition, battling or contesting. The activity of competing, opposition, battling or contesting. Similarly, the next phrase is final round. It means last round, ending round, final round. It means last round, concluding round, ending round. You can write in this way. Similarly, the next word is transcription. Write the word transcription. T-R-A-N-S-C-R-I-P-T-I-O-N, transcription. The meaning of transcription is a written or printed version of something. There are two transcriptions. One is the transcription of karma and another is transcription of kavita. Similarly, write another word. Investigate. I-N-V-E-S-T-I-G-A-T, investigate. Its meaning is inspect, I-N-S-P-E-C-T, inspect or examine. Write another word. Significant. S-I-G-N-I-F-I-C-A-N-T, significant. It means important. Important. Next word, disappear. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R, disappear. The meaning of disappear is vanish. V-A-N-I-S-H. Similarly, the next word is reluctant. R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T, reluctant. It means not wanting to take some action. Not wanting to take some action. Unwilling or uninterested. Similarly, next word is promote. P-R-O-M-O-T-E, promote. It means encourage or support. Right? Next word, global fraternity. G-L-O-B-A-L, global. F-R-A-T-R-N-I-T-Y, fraternity. It means brotherhood around the world. My dear students, if you are in the access of internet, you can easily watch my video and you can copy the words and their meanings from the video as well. Now we are listening to radio, so it is somehow faster, I think so. If you are unable to write quickly, please look at the book and find the word very quickly. You can easily find the word quickly and underline the word. After that, you can write the meaning of that word. Next, barrier. Next word is barrier. B-A-R-R-I-E-R, barrier. It means obstacle. O-B-S-T-A-C-L, obstacle, hurdle or blockade. Similarly, next phrase is lingua franca. Lingua franca. That means common language or linked language. Linked language or common language. If there is only one language, then that language can be used as lingua franca. Then next, conference. I think some of you know the meaning of conference. Conference means meeting or seminar. Similarly, the next word is unintelligible. U-N-I-N-T-L-L-I-G-I-B-L-E, unintelligible. It means incomprehensible, meaningless or difficult to understand. Now I think you have finished writing the meaning of some of the unfamiliar words from the text. Now we are going to talk about the points of karma. What points did karma make in the debate? That they are karma's view. The first one is, if there are fewer languages, the life will be easier. If there is only one language at that time, the life will be very easy. Why? Because we can easily communicate with the people, different people. Then next, every year several languages die out. The number of languages is decreasing. Day by day, the number of languages is decreasing. Similarly, because of the invention of technology, the world has become a global village. Nowadays, the world has become a global village. It is possible because of single language and because of the invention of technology. We can easily communicate with the people who are in far distance by using different technological things. Because of internet service, we can easily be in touch with the people who are very far from us. Similarly, people are preferring learning the language that helps them to communicate in the global village, so that they want to talk to the people who are in far distance. They like to talk to them. Next, people can communicate one another without any hesitation. Single language unites all the people as global citizens. Global citizen is possible, or we can be global citizens because of single language. Similarly, it would promote learning. We can easily learn by using single language. We can get the ideas of different people if there is only one language. No need of translation and interpretation, so that it minimizes the cost. It helps to uplift the economic standard, so that single language is very important. Similarly, a single language strengthens our fraternity, integrity, security and global understanding, in addition to helping international business and economy. They are some of the key points which karma makes. Now I am going to give you a task from your textbook. Please turn on page 15. Look at the exercises. The first exercise is vocabulary in use. I have already talked about some of the unfamiliar words from the text. Please be familiar with those words and do the exercises. In exercise 1, the exercise is find the following words in the text above and figure out their meaning in context. Try to find the word. Where is the word? How is it used in context? Then write the contextual meaning of that word. There are 6 words in the box. Please try to find them in the text. Then write the contextual meaning of those words. You cannot find the word degeneration in the text. It is not from the text. There is a mistake in your textbook. Similarly, do activity II. Second activity, my dear students, I hope you will do the exercise at home. That is vocabulary in use. Be safe. Stay at home. Thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye, my dear students.